Well, we started out with a monster this morning. Put that joker back. Made a cup of coffee. It's freaking cold. Let's check out the trailer. It did rain a lot. My ditches are full. Fields are... Got a green field down there that's got 6 inches of water in it. It's flooded. But, alas, it did not clean the trailer off like I hoped. So we've got to do it. We're gonna get the water hose out. And try to stay dry because it's freaking cold. Y'all check this out though. Nice pretty green nails. First time in my life my fingernails have ever been painted. My little granddaughter she was dying to paint them. I mean, for being 3, I guess maybe. Did damn good. Oh, that little thing. She's something. I must be getting soft. I got painted fingernails now. And I'm drinking coffee out of some sparkly, purpley, bluish, aqua, something or other cup. I don't know. What's this world coming to, folks? Oh, I hope I can do this and stay dry. Something tells me I'm gonna get wet. I have to find some brake cleaner and get these things cleaned up. I got some brake cleaner in there. You know, you can always tell when my guys have been out here working because 2 water hoses used to be there and they're now gone. Oh, thanks guys. Anyway, let's clean the trailer. Well, so much for staying dry. But when we're done, trailer will be a little lighter. I originally started washing down there. Didn't take but a minute to realize that's downhill. I got to get all this dirt out of my frame rail. I don't like that caking up on those air lines and electric lines. So after we get all this dirt off of it, we can run to the truck wash. Let them put a good job on it. We might do that today, we'll see. But I don't like riding around with all this dirt on the trailer. It draws attention, negative attention. Plus you can't be riding around that old sweet girl there with the old dirty old trailer, no. Well, last thing, we're gonna go ahead and spray all these down. Then we'll be good to go back to work. I like to use this WD-40 dry lube. Just seems to work good for us. Pretty much after big heavy rains, and then just every so often. We've got to spray these guys. Need to leave 2 of them out. Because we got to go load the curb machine. Don't fall off the trailer, dadgummit. It fell off the trailer. Thank goodness it's warming up a little bit, because wet I am. That's pretty much all we do. Keep these rascals working good. We don't need that ramp to load a curb machine. We got our little curb machine ramp, and that ramp, that's what... Do I have that backwards? No, that's right. That ramp and that ramp. That outside ramp. Driver's side ramp. All right, now we gotta go fire up a curb machine and get it on the trailer. Let's go. Got a little bit of oil running down the back of the motor. We're gonna get that figured out soon. Looks like we're good on oil. About ready to fire her up and go. Perfect. Tie it down. Last chain. We actually chained this down before we picked the trailer up because the truck had to build air. So as soon as the truck builds air, well, it's built, but when we get hooked up, pick it up, we'll recheck these chains. Well, there she is, all loaded up, tied down. Looks good. Looks real good. Now we just gotta give this trailer time. It'll probably take 10-15 minutes for it to get all aired up. It hadn't had any air in it in a couple days. So we're gonna, I don't know, sit down for a minute and relax. Alrighty, we are setting sail. Got her all warmed up, aired up, ready to go. After we drop this machine, we may run to the truck wash. I need to do the inside of this truck. I stomped mud in this thing Saturday. Goodness gracious. But anyway, we're going to go get her delivered so my guys can pour some concrete tomorrow. Let's go. Alright, well, we are all detached. Now it's time to get her off of here. Getting on there was a little bit of a pain. Trailer was wet, track slipped a little bit, but they're all good and dry now. Gotta get, come here, buddy. Met me a new friend over here driving this truck. Hell, he's got it running already. Mechanic just showed up. He told me by the time he was done talking to me that truck was going to fire up. He was accurate. He's a preacher. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong with it. I respect it for sure. Oops. Alley-oop. You were right, it's running. You said it was going to fire up, seriously. There you go. Calm down, baby, calm down. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Got the front to go and we're home free. Lined up good. Everything's looking good. Nothing slipping. Am I good on that ramp?
Yeah, you're good.
Easy day. I can feel the front track coming down now. You can barely see it. That. I did that on that dadburn tree limb over there. Dadgummit. Did it my own machine. We're gonna park it over here by that pile of melons. Built all supposed to put concrete out here all the way down this road. About to wrap this one up. We still got to go way over that hill. And that's it. Now we just got to hook up. Well, folks, that's pretty much it for the day. We started to head over and pick up another one and get it moved, but it's already pretty darn late. It took hours to get all that dirt washed off the trailer, and then I ran into my new friend at the other job site. He held me up for a while, so we're just gonna call it a day. We got a pretty busy day tomorrow, so we'll get after it then, but appreciate you watching.